Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? Happy New Year everyone. So today I am going to review wooden combs for you guys. I have two wooden combs. This one is from TS company and this one is from Philon. So I'm gonna, we're gonna see which one is better, and I will share my experience with you guys in this video. And if you want to know everything about them, please keep on watching. First of all, hopping on to the topic of wooden combs in general, we will actually look at the fact of the benefits of using wooden comb for your hair. So the first thing and the first benefit of using wooden combs for hair is that it actually distributes all the oil from your scalp to the end of your hair equally. What actually plastic or metal combs do is that they actually attract, I'm saying actually so much, I'm sorry, that they attract all the oil towards them and all the oil stick to the teeth of plastic or metal combs. But what happened with these comb is that they do not attract oil, or the oil doesn't stick on them. So what happened that it actually distribute the oil properly throughout your hair, from your scalp to down your roots, ends, sorry, from your roots to your ends. One more fact for it, a wooden comb, I would like to add that it is more eco-friendly. Even if the teeth of these get destroyed, it will get recycled pretty quickly. Although plastic is actually, pretty recyclable, but it's a long lengthy process to recycle plastic than to recycle these. So first I'm gonna review this comb, which is the Philon wooden comb, which looks like this. I will actually add a product picture of it as well, so I'll scoot a little here. Okay, so guys, here you can see the wooden comb on your screen. What I actually like about this wooden comb is that it has wide teeth, so you can, your hair will not get tangled in it much. Wide toothed comb, so it doesn't really tug on a hair so much, which is a plus point. Also, this can be used on wet hair, it is actually a shampoo comb, but it can be used for regular hair combing as well. The teeth of these are like really finely curved, so you're not like poking your skin, like poking your hair, like I'll comb it in front of you guys. So you're not actually, look. So you're not actually hurting your hair, like hurting your scalp when you are going like from your roots to the end. So guys, I'm here back now. So another thing I would like to add is that it actually is very good for hair tangling. To be honest, it actually put less pressure on your hair, and you have to work really easy with it. Your hair will get tangled, like you can remove your tangled hair easily with this comb. I would highly recommend this. Also, I would also add the price of it. It retails for 160 rupees. I also bought this from Nykaa. I bought both of them from Nykaa. So yeah, this retails for 160 rupees. Coming back to this comb. So this comb is from TS company. As you can see on the screen, this comb is very, it has both kind of a tooths to it. I don't think you can work with it on wet hair. Like, I don't think it can be worked on wet hair, because the texture of it is a little rough, but the teeth are curved very perfectly and finely. Like, it's not something very bad, but the teeth are very nice. It will not hurt your scalp or anything. Comb your hair from it. I will comb my hair so you can see how it is. Hopefully you can see, because I'm like, this one retails for 120 rupees, and I found this one more helpful to detangle my hair. And with this one I didn't found much results, because I don't know, it just a little hard to work with. But this one was very like amazing to work with. And this one was, so this one wins this battle. The Philon comb would win this battle, that which works best for. So if you ask me which works best for detangling your hair, I would say Philon one for sure. It works pretty good, and it also added a little bit of shine in my hair, and it was very easy to work with, so I would choose this one. One thing I would like to add in both of these is that they both are very durable. And I am saying durable, it's not like you drop it on the floor one time and it will break and everything. That will just not happen. I've dropped them, trust me, I've dropped them like so much. I've actually like thrown them, but this doesn't happen. Although this one thing I would like to add in the Philon one is that it is a little, where this thing is detached, I would add a clip here. As you can see, this part of the comb is actually detaching from the the teeth part of it, like so that I'm finding very difficult to work with. But it's not like, it's just very uncomfortable to hold from that part and comb your hair. But other than that, this one is such a good one. Like, if you compare which one I would suggest you to choose between these two, this one. I cannot raise my hand because you will not see it, but this one the Philon one would definitely won this battle, because this one is white toothed comb. You can use it on wet hair. It detangles your hair like magically. Trust me, my hair looks manageable, but it's not. I will highly recommend this to everyone, because this is such a life changer. Like, it's a life-changing thing for me, and I would never touch plastic combs ever again. Plus, these are like eco-friendly. Like, who would go for plastic now? Nobody would go for plastics. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And guys, your comments, you guys are the best. Your comments make me so happy. Like, I sometimes like read them and I go like, oh my god, you guys are the best. Keep them comment coming. Yes, it makes me so happy, and I am so thankful that you guys take your time from your daily life to comment it, even if it's just for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 1 minute, whatever it is. Thank you so much for commenting. It actually makes my day. It makes my life in general. And thank you so much for everything, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.